This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
2018, this one here, call for no AC. I got a call last week from this lady.
Turn right on State Road.
Monday morning, first thing, I'm gonna go and by there, see what's going on. The condenser's not running, she said, so might be a capacitor or something, who knows. We'll go check it out. It's not that warm today, probably, I'm not even sure, it's probably 50 degrees, 55 maybe. Mrs. Molly's got 2 coats on today. Yeah. Mrs. Molly. Miss Molly. Oh, Miss Molly got the old shakeroo. Oh, yeah, you're a shaker.
1.25 miles. Turn right on Tucker Road.
The front wire right there. It looks like the black and the red. I got issues there. It's gonna go shut the power off. It's a Goodman. That's why it's not running. I did change this capacitor recently. She's a cooked wire. I'll make sure he shuts off the power before I touch it and get zapped. We might have some of that wire in the truck. So I just ran a new red wire. That's the common for the capacitor. And I cut that black one back. And I put a new connector on it. So he's going to go turn the power back on and we'll make sure, we'll hit it, make sure it starts. Compressor started. But we're good. I was here recently changing the capacitor. I did check the charge at that point, so this should be good. That's a 3-ton Goodman.